Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a very healthy, easy and quick Kerala style Rava Upma. This Rava Upma can be made in just under 10 minutes. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make Rava Upma, you need 5 to 6 shallots. Now these are very small shallots, so I'm using 10. A small piece of ginger, about 5 green chilies. I'm using peri peri green chili, which is very spicy, so I'm using 5. If you're using ordinary green chilies, you can use 2 to 3 green chilies or as per your taste. 1 sprig of fresh curry leaves, some grated coconut, 1 cup of roasted rava. Heat a kadai or a pan with 2 teaspoon coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, add in half teaspoon mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds starts to splutter, reduce the flame to the lowest and then add in the sliced shallots, chopped ginger, sliced green chilies. Curry leaves I'm just stirring and adding so that it releases the flavor. And now give this a mix. Once the shallots are transparent, I'm adding in 2 cups of water. Now put the flame on high, add in pink Himalayan salt as needed, give it a stir. You can just check the water to know whether the salt is correct. Add in 2 handfuls of grated coconut. And allow this to come to a boil. I'm adding in some more curry leaves. So when you add the curry leaves, just stir and add, as this will help to release the flavor. Now I like to use curry leaves in my recipes as they are rich in iron and folate. So if you have iron deficiency, anemia or hair fall issues, try to include curry leaves in your diet. Now this is a very easy and quick breakfast meal option which you can make in just under 10 minutes. So it's an ideal breakfast option for bachelors, PG hostel students or for those working women who are really short of time on those busy mornings. And once the water starts to boil, just give it a stir and reduce the flame to the lowest. And then add in the 1 cup of roasted rava. Now add it little by little like this so that the rava does not clump together. Now I'm just mixing this up. Once I added half of the rava, again add in the rest of the rava. Quickly give this a mix. Cover and let the rava get cooked. It should get cooked in about 2 minutes or so. So I've reduced the flame to the lowest. Now a lot of you have always asked me about the measuring cups I use in my recipes. Please note that the details of the measuring cups and the buying links of the things I use in my recipes will be updated in the description box below this video. So please do check it out. So after about 2 minutes, let's open the lid. I'm just going to mix this really well. Now let this cook without covering with the lid for another 2 minutes. In between, make sure you stir the upma. It's about 2 minutes now and the upma is ready. So I'm going to turn off the flame and you can serve the upma immediately. I like to have the upma with homemade pickle. Homemade pickles are a good source of probiotics. I have already shared how to make pickle at home in the traditional way. Please do check it out. So guys, do try this healthy and easy Rava Upma and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.